You are saying basic English words wrong, and I know what the reason is, because 99% of teachers teach them wrong. Let's fix your pronunciation with real American accent using real scenes, okay? Alright, let's go see what happens in the movie and what useful topics, words, and phrases we can possibly extract. It goes without saying that while learning new words and phrases, we will also pay full attention to pronunciation. Again, I repeat, full attention to pronunciation. And the movie we are working on today begins with a person screaming and asking for help. Hey, everybody, I need some help, okay? So let's take a look at it.
Hey, I need some help.
Hey, I need some help. I need some help. So you see, guys, some here is something that we don't need to put a lot of stress on right now, okay? So that's the reason why the person is saying, I need some help, okay? Instead of saying I need some help, we say I need some help. I need some help. So we put a stress on help here, okay? Because that's the most important word here.
Someone in the jungle! It's alive!
Yeah, there's someone in the jungle. There is becomes there's. And the person is saying it so fast, okay? There's someone in the jungle.
Someone in the jungle! It's alive!
Right, he's alive. He's alive.
Help! Help me!
Yeah, you hear the person saying, help me, help me. So the person is in bad circumstance right now.
Help! Help!
So as you can see here, there is an old man up in the tree. Oh my God, this is really horrible. I don't like it myself. I'm not sure about you guys. Let's see.
We should climb up there. I'll hold him steady. You pull him.
Yeah, we should climb up. So you see, the man is suggesting that they should climb up. But the girl doesn't like it, okay? She says, no, we don't need to do it. So we should climb up. So when you climb up, it means that you try to go up in the tree, okay? In order to give, some help to that man, okay? Or maybe to anybody. So when you climb up.
We should climb up there. I'll hold him steady. You pull him.
What's your name?
What's your name? So this is good for beginners, actually. So you can say, what's your name? What's your name becomes what's your name? What's your name?
What's your name and what's your social security number?
What's your name?
Bernard!
Bernard. So the name of the man is Bernard.
Bernard!
You're gonna be all right, Bernard.
You're gonna be all right, Bernard. You're gonna be.
And you're gonna be much more successful.
You're gonna be. See, you are going to be all right becomes you're gonna be.
So you're going to be telling them.
You're gonna be. And something important about your, you can reduce it to your, Y-E-R, and say you're gonna be all right.
First, you're going to be all right.
All right. You see the guys? Right. We don't pop that T at the end for right, okay? So we say, you're gonna be all right, Bernard.
Bernard!
You're gonna be all right, Bernard. I need you to unbuckle your seatbelt.
I need you to unbuckle your seatbelt. So there are some important things I'm going to talk about right now here, okay? So the first one is unbuckle. What does that mean when you unbuckle? It means you try to undo it or you release a buckle. Like, for example, on a belt or shoe or strap, okay? For example, you can say that my brother unbuckled his seatbelt after the car stopped. You see, sometimes when the car stops, you need to unbuckle that, whether you like it or not. Okay, so she, for example, unbuckled her boots and kicked them off, for example, with a sigh of relief. Something like this, okay? And what about the word seatbelt here? There's the possibility of some of you not knowing exactly what that is, but a seatbelt is a safety strap in a vehicle, maybe, or on a plane. And actually it holds you in place and you will be protected during a crash. Very simple. For example, I can say that he clicked his seatbelt. So the word click, guys, is the opposite of unbuckle, okay? For example, I can say that he clicked his seatbelt ready for the ride of his life, okay? So 2 important words. Number 1, unbuckle. And the opposite of the word unbuckle is click. And another great word here is seatbelt. And I hope you totally understand the words. Okay, so let's listen to that again.
Bernard!
You're gonna be all right, Bernard.
You're gonna be alright, Bernard. You're gonna be alright.
I need you to unbuckle your seatbelt
I need you to unbuckle your seatbelt. You see?
and grab the branch next to you.
And grab the branch next to you. Okay? Next to you. So, but what is the meaning of the word branch here? For example, here we were talking about tree branch here, and it means a limb that grows out from the trunk of a tree. For example, I say that he or she, for example, climbed up and sat on a sturdy tree branch watching the sunset. That's a beautiful example, I think. So, you see, the girl is asking the man to grab that branch next to him.
Is he dead? I think he's dead.
Oh my God, there is another person there and he seems to be dead right now. And the old man is really scared and says, is he dead?
I think he's dead.
I think he's dead.
We should climb
No.
up there.
I need you to focus, Bernard.
I need you to focus, Bernard. I need you. See, when we have D plus Y, we pronounce it like G, okay?
They don't need you anymore because they've
So we say, I need you to focus, Bernard.
Unbuckle your seatbelt.
Unbuckle your seatbelt. I need you to focus, Bernard. Don't care about if the man is dead or not right now, okay? Just focus. And I need you to focus, Bernard. See, the old man is trying to unbuckle his seatbelt.
Now grab the branch next to you.
And grab the branch next to you. So the old man is a little bit scared, okay? Not a little bit. So scared right now. And I think he's not that sure whether he can do it or not. But let's see what he says.
Now grab the branch next to you.
I don't think I can do that.
Bernard,
I don't think I can do that. I don't think I can do that. I can. We don't say, I don't think I can do that, okay? So I don't think I can do that. I don't think I can do that.
Well, I don't think I can do that, Boyd.
And the girl's saying, Bernard,
I don't think I can do that.
Bernard, those seats are gonna fall.
those seats are gonna fall. Those seats are gonna fall. So the girl is warning the old man. So let's see. Oh my God, guys, this is a horrible situation to be in. Believe me.
Come on, you can do it.
Come on, you can do it. You can. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Come on, you can do it.
Come on, you can do it.
Come on, you can do it.
Oh my God. Oops. Oh my God. Let me teach you a word right now, guys. So the man, look at the man right now, the old man. He's totally shocked and scared, frightened, flabbergasted. He actually can't believe that he survived.
All right, hold on tight, okay?
Oh my God. All right. Hold on tight, okay? Hold on tight. But what does it mean when you hold on tight or when you ask somebody to hold on tight? When you hold on tight, it means you grip something firmly. And you do it for safety maybe or because something, kind of intense is happening. Just like, well, you can see it right now, okay? The man is so afraid right now and he needs to just grip it. Very firmly. For example, I can say, hey, hold on tight, okay? We're about to hit the waves, something like this, okay? So because there are some waves when you go to the sea. Or you can say, for example, she held on tight to his hand. She held on tight to his hand as, for example, they ran through the crowd. Beautiful example, I think it was again.
All right, hold on tight, okay? I'm coming up to get you.
Yeah, I'm coming up to get ya. Get ya. You becomes ya, get ya, or get ya, both correct. Okay, I'm coming up to get ya.
I get you, right?
So when you say I'm coming up to get you, what does it mean exactly? It means that the girl is trying to go to a higher place right now, okay? To reach or maybe retrieve the old man. For example, good examples could be something like this. I can think of one example. For example, you say, hey, hang on tight, okay? I'm coming up to get you right now, just like the way the girl said. And it could be said by anybody who's climbing the tree, for example, or maybe the stairs to help a friend or to pick up a child, something like this, okay? So finally, the man is all right, okay?
Does anybody have any water?
Does anybody have any water? So you see the word water.
Gallons of water to make 1 pound of beans.
So many people don't know how to say that, but I'm telling you right now, guys, look, water, water. So we changed that T into a D, a soft D, because it is surrounded by 2 vowel sounds, okay? So does anybody have any water?
Couldn't find any matches.
Couldn't find any matches? So the girl is asking a good question. Couldn't find any matches. What does it mean, matches? Matches are small sticks that we use to start a fire, no matter whether it's big or small, okay? So we're talking about fire here right now. When you want to start a fire, you need matches. And matches have a chemical tip that ignites when struck. For example, you can say he lit a candle with a match, okay? Or you can say matches are small sticks that can create fire when struck. Let's see.
Couldn't find any matches.
Dry ones? You can ask around, but I couldn't find any.
Dry ones? So because you need dry ones, you can ask around.
You can ask around, but I couldn't find any.
I couldn't find any. You can ask around, but I couldn't find any. I couldn't. I couldn't find any.
I couldn't find any evidence that anyone else has found that.
You can ask around, but I couldn't find any.
You can ask around. Look, you can ask around. But I becomes but I couldn't find any.
You can ask around, but I couldn't find any. It's gonna be dark soon.
It's gonna be dark soon. It's gonna be.
So hungry and it's gonna be dark soon.
Guys, it's gonna be, you can use it millions of times when you're having a conversation with somebody, okay? So you say, it's gonna be dark soon.
It's gonna be dark soon. We're gonna get a signal fire started so they can find us.
Yeah, gonna get it. So he doesn't say, I am gonna get it, okay? He says, just gonna get it. You can drop I am. Instead of saying, I am gonna do it, you can say, gonna do it.
That are going to get you to that goal. And to be honest,
I am gonna talk to him. I am gonna create a new video. For example. So gonna get a signal fire, I think, yes. Gonna get a signal fire started.
It's gonna be dark soon. We're gonna get a signal fire started so they can find us.
Gonna be dark soon.
You can ask around, but I couldn't find any. It's gonna be dark soon. We're gonna get a signal fire started so they can find us.
Yeah, gonna get a signal fire, for example, started so they can find us. But what does it mean when we say signal fire? Signal fire is fire lit to send a message or call for help, especially from a distance. See what I'm saying? So, as you can see and understand, we have been covering a lot of fascinating combinations, cutout words, reductions regarding pronunciation, and we have learned and we have been learning, let me put it to you that way, lots of great things out of this short movie, okay, short clip. And try to make sure you work on them, guys. Make lots and lots of different examples with everything that we've been covering. Don't forget the pronunciation, which is very important. You need to watch it millions of times to catch everything I'm talking about right now, guys. Okay, it's gonna be great. You see, I'm using that. It's gonna be great if you do so.